Hey there, this is Tim with Crystal Blue Plumbing, and today we are with Sean from Crystal Blue Plumbing Heating and Air, and we're flushing a tankless water heater, a Navien, and he's going to provide us some information on the benefits of flushing your tankless water heater.
Well, benefit number one is for warranty purposes. The manufacturer loves to know that these units are being flushed yearly. You can skip a year, but it's not recommended. It's good to get up inside here and clean your filters and there's filters on the bottom of the unit. There's a trap for condensation that needs to be cleared out, every once in a while.
Sean, what happens if they don't do the maintenance?
What happens is inside these little devices here, which are flow sensors, there's little props inside of there, and these are magnets, and when those little props get restricted from scale buildup, it doesn't send the right information to the board, and what it ultimately causes is lack of hot water. There could be even times when there's an issue that you don't even know, where hot and cold water are mixing, causing your unit to run more frequently. So it is really important because there's quite a few of these flow sensors in here, and each one of them does a different thing. So that would be the most important thing about flushing is flow sensors and heat exchanger.
Okay, excellent. Now let's talk about the process of flushing the water heater. What are you doing right now?
Right now we got, this unit was installed with bypass valves, allowing you to hook up laundry supply hoses to a pump. You shut the water off, the feed to the unit, and open this valve up. Same here, shut off, open up. And what you're doing is creating a loop within this unit itself. We like to use flow aid. You'll see a lot of videos where people are using vinegar, which is all right, but it's not there's no science to your mixture. So this is, pre-calculated, shake really well, get 4 quarts out of here. It takes 1 quart to flush a unit, and you want to flush them for about 45 minutes, and then back flush them to make sure you're not leaving any foreign objects inside of this unit, which would cause flow restrictions through the flow sensors.
Okay, excellent. Is this something a homeowner can do by themselves?
It is, but it's not recommended just because they don't know exactly how this works. So if there is an issue, they may miss that, causing a costly repair in the future.
Crystal Blue Plumbing, Heating and Air. Family owned and operated and committed to customer service the way it used to be. We go out of our way to ensure a quality job. Crystal Blue Plumbing, Heating and Air. Customer service the way it used to be. Service you deserve. Crystal Blue.